Hi everyone, welcome back to the Brigy family. I hope you are doing well. Before today's vlog, I just want to say thank you so much for all the love you showed on my recent hair videos. Don't worry, my 4C and texturized hair videos will be back soon when we get back home. And right now we are just enjoying our Caravan summer holiday, and I thought I would just take you along with us and show you our little life with 2 kids. So today we are getting ready for the beach, so get ready with us and make sure you are subscribed because we are traveling different places to don't miss our new destination. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Packing for a beach day with 2 little ones always takes longer than I expect. I made sure I had towels, sunscreens, snacks, plenty of water, and of course, all the beach toys. We are trying to get everyone ready. One thing we never skip is sunscreen. The sun has been really strong, so we always take a few extra minutes to make sure everyone is protected before we head out. Everything was packed, the wagon was loaded, and we are finally ready to make the short walk to the beach. The kids were so excited. We finally made it to the beach. The kids couldn't wait to get into the water. This is Malpasa Beach in Varigoti. Wow, look at that. We had such a lovely day at the beach. These simple family moments are the ones we'll remember the most. After a few hours of swimming and playing, everyone was ready for a little snack break before heading back in the water. Thank you so much for spending our beach day together. I hope you enjoyed. Let's see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.